Top 3 websites to watch anime for completely free. If any day any of you are an anime lover and you would like to just want the very website from which you could watch the very anime for free, but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. One of the best websites is you have to go to the Google Chrome on your mobile device, and one of the best websites from where you could watch the various kind of anime is Tubi TV. So in the very search section of your Google Chrome, you can search tubitv.com like this, and after you search tubitv.com like this, you can see an interface from like this. Now here in start watching, you can watch any of those anime for absolutely free, 100% legal here. Likewise, in the search section, the next very option is Funimation. Funimation is also a very nice website from where you can watch the various kind of animation and the animes on free. You have to tap on the Funimation and you can see that an interface like this will open, and from the website of the Funimation as well, you can see the various kind of animes for free. Again, in the search section, you can set the next website. That is the website of the Crunchyroll, and you have to tap on that. And you have to tap on the Crunchyroll, and Crunchyroll is also a very famous website from where you can watch the various kind of beautiful animes for free. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.